There are plans for Goa, which if they disclose now, people would go to their houses in a rage and boot them out of office. If people only know. That is why this protest, because we said, do you know how many square meters of land has been changed in Goa? Mr. Vishwajit Rane says 6 crore square meters of land is to be converted. 6 crore. He has placed a document in the assembly. Now they have reached already half a crore. 49 lakh square meters converted. And every file signed by Rajesh Naik. Now what are we paying him? We are paying him to do town planning. We are not paying him to sit at a table and sign the death warrant of the regional plan. See, there is a lot that Goans don't know that is going to happen in the state of Goa. We were inspecting the files for the Tamnar project in the electricity department just 2 days ago. The electricity department has asked for additional 220 kV to be installed on the 400 kV line that is coming, and the reasons given are 5 SCZs in different locations of Goa. Now, SCZs were cancelled in 2008. 15 of them were cancelled. Mr. Digambar Kamath said, we are burying SCZ policy. Today, the Department of Electricity is preparing the ground for 5 SCZs in different parts. It's in the file. It's in the file. We have asked for RTI inspection. We have got getting the copies. But this is the extent. Goans don't know. They are like innocent people. They are very innocent people. They are concerned in their villages, with their festivals, with eating a simple fish curry rice every day. They go to work, they go to the market, they come back. But over and above, these great actors, Mr. Pramod Sawant, Vishwajit Rane, all that, they are playing with the entire scenario of Goa.
That's the name suits him, because the way he's going about, it doesn't look like he's a town planner, he looks like a town destroyer, chief town destroyer. My humble request to all our ministers whom we have voted to see that they don't destroy Goa but protect Goa. We have voted them and put them in power so that they protect Goa, not to destroy it. And we cannot see anything being saved. It is only they are selling Goa and selling our Goa.
We don't want him to damage the environment of the state. That is our main concern. And if anybody comes to damage the environment of the state, they do it for some time. The population rebels. This happened in regional plan. This happened with SCZ. This happened with Nylon 66. It has happened with hundreds of projects that have come up. The people rebel and throw them out. This is the latest manifestation. That you bring in 17(2), 16(b), 39(a). Nothing will help you because the public will not allow you to do so.